Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Philims here, and before we get started with today's video, please do subscribe to my channel and check out my social media handles in the description box. Today's video is another transformation video, and I'll be showing you how to transform a trouser into a skirt. I've had this corduroy trouser since 2016 and I haven't worn it before, not even once. It was a gift, but I don't like the trumpet legs and the loose fitting of the trousers generally. I recently saw someone wear a corduroy skirt and I immediately thought of this trouser. It was easy to transform and now it's something I like and would love to wear, and I would enjoy wearing it. Keep watching to see how I transformed this trouser to a skirt. The first thing to do is to fold the trousers in half, making sure the hems are aligned, then cut at the desired length. I cut mine at the knee level because I will need some fabric for allowance to hem the bottom of the skirt. Next, open up the trousers from the inseam using the seam ripper. Do not cut it open with the scissors, because you need the trouser seam to make it easy to glue down, and if you're sewing, you need to follow the previous stitch of the trouser. At the back, cut open the crotch seam about 5 inches upwards, or just until the point where you can overlap the sides and it lays down flat. Take one of the bottom parts of the leg and cut it open from the inseam and the outer seam. Just cut it into two. Place one side of the fabric under the opening at the front to cover it up, and adjust it properly to smoothen out the folds. This is to fill in the space and to give the skirt more room, and it won't be tight when you're walking. But for the nose version, apply the glue at the edge of the seam, fold it in and press it down. Glue down all the seams. Do the same for the back. Place the fabric under the opening and glue down the seams down, ensuring everything lays flat. Once you're done applying the glue and tacking the seams, cut off the excess at the bottom of the skirt. The fabric glue I'm using requires 24 hours to fully dry and achieve its maximum strength, but I wanted to wear this skirt immediately, so I secured the skirt by sewing in the same manner as I glued down. When I was done sewing, I cut off the excess fabric inside the skirt. After doing that, put the skirt on, and if you're satisfied with the length, hem the bottom of the skirt by folding twice and sew with a straight stitch. And that is it. It's a very simple. If you have an old pair of jeans or jeans that you do not wear a lot, you can transform them into a skirt and save money on buying new jean skirt. And it's good for the environment, eco-friendly fashion. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please do not forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.